Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Saumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Here we are going to see the subject of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Unit 1 is the problem solving and the topic is Introduction of Artificial Intelligence. Objective: to understand the concept of the artificial intelligence and to understand the AI techniques. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer to act like a human being. Artificial intelligence system consists of people's procedures, hardware, software, data, and knowledge needed to develop the computer systems and machines that demonstrate the characteristics of intelligence. Some of the other definitions of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by the people. Artificial intelligence is the automation of activities that we associate with human thinking activities such as decision making, problem solving, learning, etc. And also, artificial intelligence is the study of agents that receive percepts from environment and perform actions. Some approaches of the artificial intelligence. There are four types of approaches. First one is the acting humanly. Second one is thinking humanly. Next, thinking rationally and acting rationally. First one, acting humanly. The Turing test approach. The Turing test is proposed by Alan Turing in 1950, was designed to provide a satisfactory operational definition of intelligence. A computer passes the test if the human integrator, after processing some written questions, cannot tell whether the written response come from a person or from the computer. Here, the natural language processing is enabled to communicate successfully in English, and knowledge representation is used to store what it knows or hears. Automated reasoning to store information to answer the questions and to draw the new conclusions. Machine learning to adapt to new circumstances and to detect. Second one is the thinking humanly. It is the cognitive modeling approach. Here, analyze how a given program thinks like a human. We must have some way of determining how the human think. The interdisciplinary field of cognitive science brings together a computer model from the artificial intelligence and the experimental technique from the psychology to try to construct the precise and testable theories of the working of the human mind. Third one is the thinking rationally, and this is the law of thought approach. The Greek philosophy of Aristotle was one of the first to attempt to codify right thinking. For example, Socrates is the man, all men are mortal, therefore Socrates is the mortal. This law of thought was supposed to govern the operation of mind and indicated the field of logic. Fourth one is the acting rationally. The rational agent approach. Acting rationally means acting so as to achieve one's goal given one's beliefs. An agent is just something that perceives and acts the right thing, that is, which is expressed to maximize the goal achievement given the available information, does not necessarily involve thinking. For example, blinking reflex but should be in the service of rational action. Now let's see about agents. What is agent? An agent is anything that can be viewed as preserving its environment through the sensors and acting upon that environment through actuators. Human sensors, eyes, ears, and other organs are the sensors. Human actuators, hands, leg, mouth, and other body parts. Like that, robot sensor, mic, cameras, infrared rangers, finders for the sensors, and robotic actuators, motor, display, and speaker. Here, Human and robots are the agents. Agent characteristics: autonomy, adaptivity, and sociability. Consider an example: the task of designing an automatic taxi drivers. Here, the agent type is the taxi driver. Here we consider the four factors, that is performance measure, environment, actuators, and sensors. So performance measure we consider safe, fast, legal, etc. And in the environment we consider the road, other traffic, pedestrians. In the actuators, steering wheel, accelerator, or the signals. Sensors, cameras, speedometer, GPS, and keyboards are the sensors. Next, rational agent. A system is rational if it does the right thing given what it knows. Characteristics of rational agent: the agent's superior knowledge of the environment, the performance measures that defines the criterion of the success, the actions that the agent can perform, the agent percept sequence to date. Next, intelligence agent. The structure of intelligence agent is the combination of architecture and the agent program. So architecture, the machinery that an agent executes on, agent program, and implementation of agent function, that is the software. Types of AI agent: the simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agent, utility based agent, learning based agents are the types of AI agents. Now let's see about the AI techniques. Gaming. AI plays important role for the machine to think a large number of possible positions based on deep knowledge in the strategic games. For example, chess, river crossing, etc. Natural language processing. Interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by humans. Expert systems. Machine or software provide explanation and advice to the user. Vision system. System understand, explain, and describe visual input on the computer. Speech recognition. There are some AI-based speech recognition systems have ability to hear and express a sentence and understand their means while a person talks to it. For example, Siri and Google Assistant. Next one is the handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper and recognize the shape of the letters and convert it into editable text. Intelligent robots are able to perform the instructions given by the human.